Okay guys, let's move on to more perspective. Let's put one here. Here's our paper. Here's a challenge. And, in my courses, we have lots of practice to master the basic cube here. 8 to 12 strokes. We're on a horizontal line in the middle here. 8 to 12 strokes. It takes lots of practice to do that, going back and forth, back and forth. Now let's have a nice vertical line here. Make sure that's vertical. Count the lines. I've drawn about 60 lines there, haven't I? Notice what I don't do is I don't do this. That's set in stone. This is plastic. We want plastic, changeable line quality. Let's try. So we're going to put this, our basic Bauhaus cube, front vertical line. Let's connect it to the left and to the right vanishing points. Make sure that's vertical. I can get back. Let's put this and this. See, lots of lines, lots of changing, judging, see where it's wrong, and moving it. See, it's plastic. We can move all those lines. And notice these lines here, these are called orthogonals. I think it's spelled like that. That refers to this line right here that extends to the vanishing point. But it's important to have these vanishing points on the edge of the paper. The farther apart, the better. These look better, the farther apart they look better. All right, here's the puzzler. We want to put, for the diagram here, I'll do slim lines like this. So here's a square with a door and a window. This is in 2 dimensions. This is 2D. Now this cube over here is 3D. So the magic of object drawing, the magic of perspective, is converting 2D into 3D, making the flat paper look like it has 3-dimensional space. So here we're going to put this door and this window on this plane. So there's a plane in space here, it's in perspective there, and here it's flat. How would you do that? You could try to figure it out on your own, pause, and then come back to me, or just watch. All right, let's say, so the door, this part is going to be here. So we start with what's closest to us. So let's put this part goes right here. And notice the space. Notice the space here and here is the same. So we go down to here, and then down to here. And then let's draw, this is what I understand the exact one that they did at the Bauhaus in 1919 to 1933 in their program in Germany. The bottom window there, that line, analyze that. It's right halfway in the middle of that square. So when they started this, they did that for a purpose, because that will give us the bottom of the window. The bottom of the window is on eye level. The top of the window is collinear. Here we're getting to geometry. We thought we were out of that. No geometry in math. Or no art, no math and art, no geometry, but there's a lot of geometry in this. Geometry can help there. All right. So the top of the door and window are collinear. There's a term for that. Who knew? See that? They're on the same line. The bottom of the window is halfway. It's on eye level. It's exactly halfway from here to here. So there we've described something on the shape in 3 dimensions. That's a big next step. So think about it. What else could we do next? What could we do next? All right, let's